going back to Pili, strong. He never loses the ball when it's at his feet. He would rather dribble, make a mistake, and it would go out. But you would never take the ball away from his feet. He's that strong, especially his legs. He's quite short, low sense of gravity. So it's difficult to push him off the ball. He's quick, can cut in, can finish. South African defenders are still going to cry, I'm telling you. I remember when we played them MTN 8 finals. Last season. No, the season before this one. He came on, I think he came on the last 5 minutes or something. Ashabani Lily beats. As soon as he receives it, Shebi Lily beats also. I are straight to go, And Ramona Libito he's strong, he's physical. I was a Momutula. I will be Zoliwa. Mfano ke mang after game mfano ke mang mfano dribble o strong so ke mang mfano. So I'm telling you, South African defenders are still going to cry.
Welcome to Diski Diary, guys. Some very, very exciting news in terms of Kaizer Chiefs transfer news. Kaizer Chiefs complete the signing of a second player from Stellenbosch, so don't go anywhere. I will reveal exactly who Kaizer Chiefs have completed the signing on. It's a 3-year deal that has been done by Kaizer Chiefs. So Bafetu, don't go anywhere. Remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe. Lilepo to AS FAR, that deal, it looks like it's going to go over the line. And the player that Kaizer Chiefs have just signed is a replacement for Lilepo. Mbonile Lilepo. He did not travel with the team to Spain. So they played their the first friendly against Rangers today, and that was a 1-1 draw. As far as the goal scorer is concerned, I'm not sure about it too. Reports say Valeba scored in the 77th minute. However, I see pictures of Igodaro scoring the first goal for Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs, they led in that match. They led 1-0, and Rangers equalized in the last minutes of the game to make it 1-1. So Kaizer Chiefs coming close to their first victory on preseason. So now the next game is on Wednesday. I think it's Al Khalud that Kaizer Chiefs are going to play, and it's looking very good in terms of the kind of season that Fernando da Cruz and the boys are going to have. Sirino to Durban City, that has been announced. Sirino officially joins Durban City, reunites with Ben Yosef at Durban City. And I see also Sikukune as well. They are making some very good signings. So we will see the former co-coaches at Kaizer Chiefs. Doors have opened for them in the Betway Premiership with Ben Yosef with Durban City. I'm a former player, Lapayana Chiefs. Didn't play Sereno that much, but it looks like there is a new opportunity for Sereno to remain in South Africa and play with Durban City. There were reported interest coming from Italy. However, that was in the second division with Lazio, I think. But Sereno has chosen to remain in the country and sign with Durban City. As Ulelepo Bafetu, do you think Chiefs should let him go? It looks like the player himself, he is set on a move to AS FAR Rabat. That is the former team that Fernando da Cruz won the league with in Morocco. He won the league with the AS FAR Rabat. Let's hope he can bring that winning mentality to Kaizer Chiefs. Right, guys, Rulani Mokwena, let's congratulate him. Has been announced as the new Pyramids coach, Rulani Mokwena. Big news for the coach. I broke the news that he was dismissed. It looks like he already had it in the pipeline. Announced he parts ways with his former team, and then the next day he is announced as the head coach of Pyramids. Pyramids, they are the former African champions. They beat Mamelodi Sundowns in the final. However, Mamelodi Sundowns coming back this past season, 2025-2026 season, to win the CAF Champions League, beating AS FAR Rabat that the club that Lilepo is going to. So yeah, Lilepo is going there. Good luck to him. Did you see the starting lineup? Say Kaizer Chiefs against Rangers. This is how Fernando da Cruz set up his team. I did put the lineup for you, but however, I didn't think Ighodaro was going to start. It looks like Fernando da Cruz is toying with playing Partman behind the striker with Vilakazi on the flank and Valibai on the other flank. So yeah, it's looking good. And Chislet is being played as an 8. Probably maybe they will also try Chislet no Mabowe. But yeah, we will see how the coach, that the lineup, I have it on the screen for you guys. Yeah, the big news that I wanted to break for you guys is that Kaizer Chiefs have completed the signing of Langelihle Phili. You heard Mabasa describing the qualities of Phili. Mabasa also believed to be in the final stages of completing his move to Kaizer Chiefs. So Phili could be the second player to complete a move from Stelis coming from Stellenbosch. Kaizer Chiefs having already signed Olokuzana, Thabo Moloisane. So yeah, okay, Mabasa is he was there on loan from Orlando Pirates. But yeah, Kaizer Chiefs, I don't know why they're dragging their feet on doing this deal. He is a free agent. Says with Chiefs a free agent. Yeah, guys, Langelihle Phili to Kaizer Chiefs to replace outgoing Claude Lilepo. Do you think that's a good signing? Let's talk about it on comment section below. Yeah, that is the news I wanted to break to you. And also look out for Kaizer Chiefs. They're playing on Wednesday on the 15th of July. I will make a starting lineup for you guys in the next show. So watch out for that one. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Todos.
Yeah, after
The
after
actor
after
and
that's okay. Yeah, after that's
Okay?
Okay.
Mira, tiran el balón este y se van todos. Vale, hemos quedado.
Venga, Cristian, tiran este
Tiran el balón este y se van todos. Hemos quedado así, si no, pues a la puerta. Ya está.
Okay.